questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei panacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante.
Okay, hey everybody, welcome to episode 12, Cooking Rick and Rye, and we're doing Mafia Meatballs today.
That's it.
Mafia Meatballs, I love, that's Rye's name, came up with it, love the name. It's a great name. Good
I think so,
Rye.
I think it'll be good.
The camera person came up with last week's name.
She did?
Yeah, you got this week, we're doing good.
We really, after last week's episode, can't call her the camera person anymore.
Can't we?
Her name is the drink maker.
Oh yeah, that's right, because you saw the magic drink you got given to you.
Schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco.
Okay, so what do you do? We're both doing meatballs?
We're doing meatballs.
Okay, and I use the same split as I do on my burgers.
Okay, I'm just doing beef, but I don't do extra lean, I like lean. Just lean, because I want more fat in mine.
Yeah.
And I'm going to make a marinara sauce.
Yeah.
Cook the meatballs, let them dip in the marinara sauce for a bit, you know, just dip my balls in there.
Okay.
And it'll be good.
All right. Okay, so let's get going with some mixing and stuff. And I got my veal ground beef, medium ground beef, and I got my pork. So I got lots of fat in here.
Good.
And you got, you just got ground beef.
I just got ground beef. And, nothing special. I don't use breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
I use fresh bread.
Okay.
And I dip them in milk.
Yep, I got panko and I dipped mine in buttermilk.
Oh, look at you! You tried to you must have knew what I was doing and tried to one up with the buttermilk flair. Do you like drinking buttermilk?
No, it's awful.
Really? Oh, I scared the camera person. Sorry. Fuck, man. I wish we were born with 3 arms. Okay, so I got my breadcrumbs right here.
Okay.
Pretty fucking slick. Okay.
Nice.
So,
You got your milk?
don't worry. I do it secret. And then I need some garlic.
And I'm gonna put some herb de Provence in there.
So I make my meatballs like if you were ordering a meatball, like an appetizer. If you're big and strong like me.
Okay, I like my balls about that big.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Alright.
I called last week's episode like no one's business.
Like what?
I said, Richard's gonna be like, oh, here's my 400 sides. And then show, here's Ryan's fucking shrimp and here's my awesome fucking shrimp.
Riposo, Narcisetto dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante.
And I like my carrots and celery. And I don't have my garlic yet. I don't want my garlic to burn.
Hold on, you gotta crack an egg the perfect way.
Why?
This is perfect. You knock it a couple
That must
times.
take you 2 hours to make an omelet in the morning.
The last episode, there was a lot of British shit.
Yeah.
Not that I'm against British shit, but you know, I'm part of this show too, and I'm Canadian, and come get me. What are you squirting there?
What? Tomato paste. I love this tomato paste. This is
Can you brush your teeth with that one?
You probably could. So I put my tomato paste in now, and I just want to cook it out a bit. So if you see in here, we're just gonna cook this out so it's a little bit browner. Tomato paste, it's starting to cook out onto the bottom. This is a perfect opportunity to add your red wine. Smell this. It smells fantastic.
con le vie solioni al concerto di tromboni, di fagotte, di cannoni, delle forme tutti cloni.
I use only San Marzano tomatoes in mine.
I'm using what the fucking...
So I'll start pulling everything in and around, and then we'll do it one more time.
Non più frai farfalloni amoroso.
So you can leave your sauce like this and leave it a little bit chunky. You can keep this going, and really you can make it very, very smooth.
Narcisetto adugino d'amore, delle belle.
Very serious on the garlic there. I'm gonna get a close up of the seriousness of that garlic going on over there. Let me move
Fucking
this.
serious. This is my fucking sauce, man.
That's good. Right.
Buddy, I make good fucking meatball, huh?
Right, you want your meatballs in the oven?
Let me get my sauce going.
Why don't you do this in the pan?
Because I gotta start my onions.
Yeah, then you do it with your onions.
This is the way I do it, Richard. You're my sous chef right now. The marinara, so bubble it up. Anyone that's watching the show, I have to make an announcement. So the show's called Cooking with Rick and Ryan.
Yep.
So we're gonna change it
Yep.
to called
To
I Win.
Cooking with Rick, who helps Rye.
No, we're gonna change it to I Win. Oh yeah, sizzly sizzly. Okay. Lola
He's got one. He's just.
See that, Richard? Look at fucking professional chef right now.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, I got my apron on today too, which is bonus.
Non più frai quei panacchini.
White wine that I brought, because you
Okay.
never know with Richard and his trickery.
You know, tomatoes go with red wine, right?
Well, you do things your way, I'll do things my way, and then
I'm
I'll
just
win.
gonna say this is gonna be a little bit sweeter with white wine.
Yes.
Delle belle turbando a riposo, Narcisetto adugino.
Looks great, right?
Relaxing time, bada bing, bada boom time.
I have my hot knives.
So what you're telling me is let's get fucked up.
Are we gonna use your hash or my hash?
Right.
I love that smell.
Smells good. Did I put garlic in my sauce?
Yep.
Yeah. That's how good I am. It's all fun and games until someone gets smoke in the eye.
Someone gets a
Holy
hot knife in their eye.
Fuck, dude.
What?
They're fucking big. I'm gonna get it hot. Right on the tip. Just the tip.
Montagni per valloni, con le vie solioni al concerto
Cheers.
di
Did we cheers today? I don't think we
Cheers.
clinked.
Salute. All I know, Richard, it's fucking hot in this house, man.
Okay, let's go outside.
panacchini, non più frai quel cappello.
Perfecto. That's how I cook that anyway.
Look at those balls. Look at those.
Which ones are mine?
Yours are top, mine are bottom. I like that. What'd you find?
Look, something fell on me. It's not good.
Quando a riposo, Narcisetto adugino d'amore.
Bad word.
Right. Right, look. I got this little creek we found on our property.
Where the fuck are you leading me to? This is
Right, look at my little creek. Look.
like, I feel like you're leading me to my death.
It's not your
Is
death.
that poison ivy?
Deliverance. I don't think there's poison anything here. Look.
Wow, what
Look.
a spectacular creek. Look
And
at the rainbow trout in there.
Exactly. Like, you know, jump across, walk across.
Why me?
Well, if someone's gonna lose their testicles on a log, I don't want it to be me.
That's right. After last week, everyone knows I lost my testicles.
Torno girando, delle belle turbando a riposo.
Didn't even fucking spill a drop. That is what I call a true fucking professional.
I'm helping you because, right, well, Okay, now it's all over me.
Non più avrai questi bei panacchini.
So today, because I was smart enough, I prepped all my shit at home. And I brought all my shit, because I know fucker about there tries to fucking sabotage my. Good thing I ate a lot of fucking peanuts last night.
Okay, meatballs.
It's done.
150.
She's done.
Right, good balls.
Hey, you got the balls. Why you gotta touch my balls? What the fuck is water doing on my cooking tray?
Okay, open that. How many do you want? All of them?
All of them in the pool, man.
All of them in the pool.
I don't need this lid. Fuck me, this is heavy. Okay. Look at my bubbly balls.
Sciabla fianco.
Yeah.
Is this camera on? Do I look cross-eyed? Oh, yeah.
Molto onor.
Who the fuck your sauce tastes like, Richard?
Try it. Hot.
Oh,
Hot.
why is it hotter than mine? I am fucking awesome.
Getting close, a little crustiniing.
Non più avrai quel cappello. Non più avrai.
Doing a great job, Richard.
Oh, it feels great.
Who's the bad Richard now? Dude, these are gonna be so good. I gotta get some fresh parsley on there. Some Parmigiano Reggiano. No one fucking spreads olive oil like you. We got one comment,
Yeah? I didn't see a comment.
and it regrets me to say this,
Yeah?
but the comment actually said that you won. We had 65 million comments, and the person that won the scraper set is the hairiest, grisliest, adamest fucking Ron Jeremy porn star. Everything's almost done. I'm getting hot with this fucking apron. It's fucking thermonuclear in here.
Taking it off?
Yeah, because if you had fucking sand on the floor, I'd feel like I'm in fucking Jamaica right now.
Love when it's got a little char on it, like it's gone through the toaster.
5 times.
Perfect. Wait till you try it. Wait till you try it. Plate it up.
I don't know what it is with this machine, but I don't know how to work it. Right. That's meatball. Don't worry about Ryan doing his cheese. It's just gonna be Ryan's meatballs, and those will be Richard's fucking awesome fucking meatball fresco fucking bullshit.
D'amor, delle belle tornando a riposo, narcisetto dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran gusto.
Okay, right. So, nice sauce.
Yep.
Got the meatballs. And you want to try mine first? You want to do yours first?
Doesn't matter to me.
All right.
Try yours first.
Crostini is a little appetizer, and then mine is meatballs like you.
Okay.
So, cheers. Cheers. Get a nice salt on the crostini. And
That's pretty good.
let's do your meatball.
I like my balls. You like your balls.
Great episode 12. Mafiosa Meatballs.
Mafia Meatballs. Next week is fucking 13, so it's the bad luck
What
one.
are we doing next week?
Well, I don't know. We got Halloween coming up, and 13's an unlucky number. We got to think of something.
All right, we'll think.
We'll think of something. You know, it might be like a pumpkin pie or something. No, it's not. Because
We don't
baking's
bake.
shit.
Fuck bacon. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Non più fra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle tornando a riposo, Narcisetto ad uncino d'amor. Delle belle tornando a riposo, Narcisetto ad uncino d'amor.